Hi there, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I have here a design team project and a journal share of a completed journal I'm going to be listing in my Etsy shop. Before I get started with that, I wanted to show you the kit I was working with. So this is for Ephemeras Vintage Garden, and I'm using her Whimsy and Botany kit. It is such a fun kit. She's got 3 parts to it, and you can peruse and see which ones meet your needs. Ones that I used was the first one, the original Whimsy and Botany kit, and I've only got a couple pages here because I used them all up before I thought about putting this through. But it's just beautiful images of these ladies that have butterfly wings. So it's got like a fairy type of uh, theme to it, and it's botany, of course, has plants in it and everything. Um, Beautiful colors. Just love this gorgeous pinkish red and this olivey type of green that's kind of in here. Minty green as well. I really like these colors. So I used that, and then I also used the Art Bits kit. And in that kit, you get some little pieces of ephemera. And I really like that she gives you the butterfly because all the ladies have the same butterfly. And what's really nice about getting these butterflies, and there's another sheet with a larger butterfly. What's nice about it is you can use your own paper dolls and put butterfly wings on them, and it just sort of goes in with the rest of the kit. So that's what I have been using. I really like how the collage works out, how she's done the collage, because you can look at a piece and you can make a journaling card out of this and out of this and out of that. You can use this strip and you can use a strip here. You can break it down, deconstruct the collage, and use it in different places in your journal. So I've had a really good time with this. And also, it's very shabby chic, so it's quite distressed. You can see how it's kind of distressed throughout. So you can grunge this up and make it even more grungy, or you can keep it more of a shabby chic type of look to it. So this was a fun kit. And I'm going to list down her shop down below. And I did want to also point out that you can belong to her Ephemeras Garden Club, and I'll put that link down below. And it works a lot like a Patreon site where you have a membership and you have different levels. And depending on the level you're at, you will either get a free digi every month, or you will get a complete journal kit every month. So, and also her videos, and it's also a community. So I've really enjoyed it. I've been a member for a few years, and yeah, I've really enjoyed it. So let's get started with looking through this traveler's notebook journal. And on the front, it has a sari silk tie, and the tie is threaded through a piece of ephemera in the back. So you can take it off, you can replace it with something else. Um, it's removable. And the front of it has stitching around these pieces of ephemera, and up here is a tag. So some of this ephemera, like this tag here, is from other kits from Ephemera's Garden. But here I made a journal card out of one of the collage pieces in the Whimsy Botany kit, as well as the back of the green. And this is a piece of ephemera in it, and a hydrangea. I love that flower. And it has a cloth cover. This is a beautiful cloth. I thought just went with the hydrangea theme. It's just really worked in with the colors and everything. I have some vintage lace down the spine. And the signatures have been sewn in with a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. And so that's the outside. And the inside is a Tim Holtz die cut with lots of little tiny pieces of ephemera. Some of it from the kit, a lot of it from the kit actually, but some of it is other things, with one of her really cute tags here with a pretty lady inside there, and a little bit of collaging down here with the word dream. And this is the first, so there's lots of room for writing. And here's a couple of pieces put inside this little pocket with a little "So Kindness," Tim Holtz butterfly. Has tea stained paper. I have a couple of envelopes in here. These have not been glued, in case you want a journal on the inside. And they're held together with a rusty paper clip with a little bit of seam binding. Here's a piece from a vintage botanical book. And here's where I have a lady in my stash, and I added wings to her. And actually, I got this as a free printout from Ephemeras Garden years ago. But I added those wings, so it kind of, makes them all kind of match that way. Here's one of the altered paper clips that we did in a workshop, and it is double-sided. All right, and then I have just stuck in pieces of ephemera in there, and I've done that to a lot of the ephemera so that the owner can switch them around to where they would like to put them. This is a piece of tracing paper with a print on it, beautiful print of butterflies. Here's page of moss from a vintage book. Here, this is a little envelope, little tiny journaling card inside that. This is one of the envelopes that come with the kit. Paper bag. Then I've made a little journaling card. And here again, I cut down the collage sheet to make that collage card. This is another one we did a little tutorial on. This little window belly band. That's one of the little ladies inside there with a tulle topper and a little butterfly peeking out there. Here's the larger butterfly. I'm going to leave that for the recipient to do what they would like to do with that. A little bit of collaging on this pocket as well. Another one of the double-sided paper clips with a little charm on it. And this is the other side of that paper clip with some more ephemera pieces. This comes with the kit, I believe. Yeah, I have a lot of her kits, so I kind of like took ephemera pieces from a lot of them. Here is collaging. Another one of these envelopes. This is from her Rain Embrace kit, which is also a very pretty kit. You must think about doing something with that one. Here's another piece of ephemera in this bag. And the third and last double-sided altered paper clip. This is the other side of that, a little bit of collaging. And here's another one of those paper dolls. I put a butterfly on her and thought that was so fun. I made this from the collage paper. Some vintage lace. That other side of that moth paper, and here is an envelope, a sealed coin envelope with a journaling card inside that one. The other side of the botanical paper. And here is another coin envelope. And the journaling card inside. I love hollyhocks. They remind me of my grandmother. Okay. Here I made a tag to match what was on here because it gets covered up with a tag, so I thought that was kind of fun. A little bit of collaging on that pocket. And we come to the end, and here is a pocket in the back for you to slip things in that you would like. And there's a little tiny journaling card, a little secret journaling card kind of stuck inside here. So you can put something on, kind of hide it. And so that is the flip through of the journal, and this will be available in my Etsy shop. So thank you so much for viewing, and we will talk to you later. Bye.